If you want to fire your boss in 90 days or less, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay. Now look, I'm in the incognito mode. You can see that right here. So I'm gonna look up YouTube to show you the ranking of results that are possible and even probable if you stay consistent. So this is live, and I'm searching for the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, 7 Elite Wealth Payouts. And as you can see, the #1 result from 5 days ago is mine. Now look further on YouTube. Watch this. There's another video 3 days ago. There's a video 2 months ago. There's another video 2 months ago. You can see these all have different covers, different things. Part 2, Part 1, right? And then a total of different high five from 2 months ago. 2 months ago. There's another one for 2 months ago. There's another one from 1 month ago. There's my whole channel. Another one for 2 months ago. 3 months ago. 3 months ago. And I've tested this with multiple different affiliate companies, multiple different opportunities. Okay, here's another one from 13 days ago or 4 weeks ago, and so on. Okay, you see my face all over. But here's the point. When I say me, when I show my results, focus on you and your results and your team's results, okay? Because with this training, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime, okay? This is the type of training in the system that can make you a 6, 7, or even 8-figure earner, okay? That is the goal, okay? But it isn't limited to that, because you can make 100% payments of 50, 500, 1,500, 3,500, or even up to $5,000 a pop, and you keep 100% of the pie. What? You heard me correctly, okay? Now, I'm going to show you my Google results in just a few moments, but you got to stay with me, okay? Is that a fair deal? You stay with me and I'll show you my Google results and show you how this is even possible. Okay, and you can even start from as little as $50, and it doesn't exclude you from making up to $5,000 a sale, even if you start at 50. Is your light bulb going off in your head right now? It should be, okay? So, this is the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, 7 Elite Wealth Payouts, okay? And okay, part 3, okay? The high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, leveraging the 48-hour qualification window. Now you may be asking yourself, why am I reading from this screen? Okay, this is my blog, and as you can see, it's green, which means everything in here, okay, I'm showing you right here. Options, rank math, okay? It tells you exactly what is wrong with the video, the blog, okay? As you can see, there's 3 errors, 3 things I can fix. So right here, I could add an image. Earlier, you said I'd add an image with the alt text. I have already used the focus keyword, so I've already done that. So it tells you exactly all good, how many words are my thing. So 85 out of 100. It needs to be at least 75 of 100, and once you do that, you can post it, okay? Now, once you post it, this is an elite method for getting extra traffic, okay? So if I make this blog and I post my blog, okay, and then I post it on social media, right? That is the search engines and the AI are super smart in 2026 and beyond, okay? They're looking for the written content, okay? But they're also listening to what you say online, okay? So why wouldn't I, to get results on the search engines, on AI, on Google, and YouTube, say the words that I'm posting as well? Does that make sense? Okay, this is how we get the elite results, okay? And this blog right here is the key to everything, okay? Instead of waiting months, weeks, years, never to get results, we can get results in hours or days or even a week, okay? Because of the authority of this particular blog, okay? And you could also earn monthly residual income from when people sign up under you. Okay, and again, you can start for as little as $50, okay? So, the 5th elite, okay, so I'm going to, again, they're listening, so you say the words and you also write the words, okay? And this is free traffic, okay, on Google and YouTube, okay? You can't beat this, okay? The fifth elite trigger integrated into high ticket lifestyle T bonuses is the 48-hour qualification window. Strategic positioning matters more than sheer brute force effort. The strict countdown timer triggers the exact moment a prospect enters their information into the capture page, leveraging loss aversion and respect for high level intelligence rather than high pressure tactics. Using tactical upgrade windows allows you to claim higher tier commissions before standard traffic waves hit your funnels. Timing and position dictate who captures the margin when high intent traffic surges through a network. Waiting until a high ticket buyer arrives before upgrading your stats is a fatal tactical error. Okay, work hard, work smart, not hard, right? If utilizing the 48-hour window to lock in your positioning by using the 48-hour to lock in your positioning proactively, you ensure that every incoming transaction triggers maximum payout tiers without dilution. Now, what that means is, okay, let me try to find it. I think it's right here. Okay, so it's not there. Give me a half a second and I'll find it. I'll be right back. Okay, this window, okay, is in more than one place, is the 48-hour upgrade bonus. Only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. You're an action taker, right? You want to make big money now, right? Now, you could start with those $50, and I'll show you a bit how to do that, okay? But let's say you start at $50, you get no upgrade, okay? That means you only are qualified at the $50 level, okay? I'll explain more because that doesn't limit you to making $5,000, okay? But feel me out here. Join the $500 level, get no upgrade, okay? Join the $1,500 level, get qualified at the $3,500 level. And the positioning does matter, okay? Join at the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. Join at the $5,000 level, get 500 premium solo ad clicks to kickstart your business, plus epic $100,000 bonus where you learn how to get copy and paste trades, okay? Now, if you join at the $50 level and somebody joins you under the $3,500 level, now you're qualified for $3,500 commissions and below, okay? Understand, not this time, but going forward. So your next sale, you could earn $5,500, $1,500, or $3,500 because you're qualified at this level, which is gold, okay? Even though you started at $50. Now that's unheard of in the make money online industry, okay? Right there. But the difference is, okay, you pay $50, you roll up the $34.50 to the owner, not the sponsor, so not me, okay? It goes to the owner, and now you're qualified at the $3,500 level. But if you join the $1,500 level, get a 233% upgrade, okay? And somebody joins the $3,500 level, even though you only paid $1,500 plus an admin fee, you will now make $3,500 even though you only paid about $16.99. So you're not missing the $3,500 payment right away. Does that make sense? That's the difference, okay? That's huge. If you don't want to miss anything, but get in where you fit in. Again, if the $50 level, if you join the $50 level and somebody joins the $3,500 level, you pass up the $34.50 to the owner, and now you're qualified at this level going forward. Okay, that is elite. Okay, but if somebody joins if you join at the $1,500 level, get upgraded in the first 48 hours, and get upgraded to the $3,500 level. Now you make $3,500 and you get the whole pie. Okay, you don't miss the $34.50 initial payment. Does that make sense? Okay. And you can't miss this upgrade, right? It's right in your face in several different places, okay? Now, what happens when someone joins a higher level than you? I already told you, okay, it rolls up to the admin. Why and how does this make you more money? Because any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification and allow you to sell one product and be qualified for that sold product level. Join for the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level, and the difference of $34.50 to men will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. Rather than roll-up going to your sponsor and not benefiting you, the roll-up actually gets you put toward your high-ticket business qualification, allow you to move up the levels faster and from only one sale. The faster you get on the sponsor, the sooner you're making all the money, okay? So there's some examples here, but you can join right here in my funnel, right? Work with JJ, enter your name, your best email, and optionally your phone number, and then Or you can call the 1-800 number and somebody will answer all your questions. See, that's the thing. You don't have to explain or sell and tell this to anybody, okay? Never pick up the phone. We have a DFY call center free bonus, right? These aren't just PDFs. The 48-hour action taker bonus and this 100% DFY call center where we get the number, have the number right here, are elite, okay? They're not just boring PDFs. They can make you thousands of dollars more, okay? Okay, the whole goal of the high ticket lifestyle, get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? 1-800-771-0769. Back to the post, okay? The high ticket lifestyle team bonus is building digital supremacy on owned land versus rented land. The sixth elite trigger established by the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses is own land versus rented land supremacy. Social media algorithms shift overnight, deleting organic reach and destroying unprotected businesses. Building your core infrastructure on own land and integrated blogging platforms ensures that your business survives any algorithm collapse. You dictate the terms of engagement and control your own customer data. Okay, this is evergreen traffic. Ranking on Google and YouTube is evergreen traffic. That's what it means. It means your posts aren't buried. You aren't at the mercy of an algorithm on Facebook and continue having to bump old posts, okay? Or maybe they show you to four friends, okay? And they may not even be, they could be real friends, not online friends. So who knows who it goes to, okay? It's a continuous exercise in vulnerability. When platforms change the terms of service and tweak their visibility algorithm, your entire revenue stream vanishes overnight. True sovereign operators build their empires on own digital infrastructure, capturing email lists, domain authority, and direct communication channels that no corporate algorithm can never take away. Now, these are frequently asked questions about the high-ticket lifestyle bonuses. What makes high-ticket lifestyle different from traditional affiliate marketing funnels? Traditional affiliate programs pay micro commissions that require massive volume to survive, whereas direct pay structures deliver substantial payouts ranging from $50 to $5,000 on every qualifying transaction. Okay, you don't get $20, you don't get $10, you don't get 50 cents. Okay, you can make up to $5,000 per transaction to any pay system you want, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, Gold, Silver, Walmart to Walmart. You're in charge of how you get paid. How to automate backup upgrades to protect my earnings. Automated qualification mechanics that elevate your account tier when your funnel produces a higher tier sale, allowing you to keep your baseline payout and automatically upgrade without paying the difference out of pocket. Why is own land essential for long-term digital success? Hosting your core digital infrastructure on self-hosted domains protects your brand from sudden algorithm shifts, shadow bans, and traffic drops common on rented social media networks. How can I get started with this digital infrastructure? Check the link in the bio to plug into the exact system. We have links over here. And review the comprehensive bonus structure and secure your sovereign market position. But most importantly, I promised you YouTube results, right? Google results. So I'm going to go there before I forget and show you the Google results. You saw all the things right here. My picture everywhere, and that could be yours. But maybe it's just YouTube, right? We're going to search for Google. Guess what? Number one, you see my picture right here, suggested YouTube video. And then another, my badass blog, right? So it's suggesting me all over the first page, right? And then there's the AI results, okay? And then guess what? Badass network. My blog is number one. My YouTube video is number two, okay? And there's another blog, okay? Elite Google number one results, okay? And YouTube, obviously, all over, plastered all over YouTube, okay? Now, this could be you. This could be your people getting trained for you, okay? And they also train you Monday through Friday, and he runs a weekly webinar, okay? And he answers your people's questions live. They listen to a 3-minute call, and where I gave you the 1-800 number, they call, they leave a message after listening to 3-minute recording, leave their number, leave their name, and DFY closer calls him back. This is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your friendly neighborhood solid man. This is the high ticket lifestyle team bonuses, 7 elite wealth payouts, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!